G'day and welcome back to our first catch and cook. Today we're going to be doing a chili crab recipe with these beautiful blue swimmers that we caught. But before we get into the cook, I'm going to show you how we caught them. Alright, I'll just give you a quick rundown on how we peel these crabs. What you want to do is come through the bottom, pop this open, pop it open. There's a little split there, get your fingers in and just pry open. Pull all this gunk out. There you have it, one freshly caught blue mana crab. Let's do the other ones. Fucking beautiful. Right, to start our sauce, we're going to do 3 brown onions. I normally just do 2, but these are quite small. So we'll chop them in half. Crush and peel 8 cloves of garlic. We're also probably grate about a teaspoon and a half of ginger. So while we fry our onion, garlic and ginger off, we put a healthy knob of butter in. And we do have this down quite low, just while we get it started. Two red, 2 green cayenne chilies with the seeds in. With a tablespoon of tomato paste. 2 tins of crushed tomatoes. Got a splash of red wine, some salt and pepper, shit, that'll do. We'll let this cook down for a few minutes and then we'll come back to taste. We're also going to throw in the rind and juice of 1 lemon. We're also going to throw in about 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're also going to throw a splash of water in just to help thin out our sauce a touch. That's looking better. Right, I'm pretty happy with that. We'll go get our crabs. Alright, so I've just broken our crabs in half. I'm just going to, at each knuckle, give it a bit of a crack just so that juice can really seep into our meat. That'll do it. Alright, we'll get our sauce in. So we're going to come back every couple of minutes just to give it a quick stir, but the majority of the time we'll keep it covered up down low for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we're good to eat. Alright, I've let this cool down for about 5 minutes and the smell is incredible. So I'll pop a bit open. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Holy shit, man. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Well, I'm going to tuck into this and I'll see you guys on the next one. What the f***, man? Why not turning down? What the f***? This thing's f***ed. So fuck you. Fucking hell. Nope. Not doing that again. Holy shit. We need to go to the gas cooker. Get him in. What the fuck was that? I hate gas cookers. Oh, for fuck's sake. We'll chop them in half. We're also going to throw in the the rind and juice of 1 lemon. Oh! Lucky it didn't land in the fucking thing.